That's the routine we're going to practice today. I'm AJ from the Digi Dojo.com, Chief Instructor for Wadakai Holland and Kenshikai Kobudo Europe. In this mini class, we'll work on tatsui. As you've seen, the complete routine are 3 different types of tatsui, and we're going to practice all of them, but we're going to work on tatsui isolated first. So from Shizentai, simply extend your left fist to start this training. Raise it above your head and strike down. You want to stop roughly at chin height. In this way. Don't overly robotic, but raise it and drop it. Raise and drop. And you want to make sure that you're going to drop your elbow first and then your fist. So don't make a too rigid move. Like that. Ich. Ni. Shi, go, ruk, shich, hach, kyu, jip. Alright, that's just 10. We're gonna do a lot today. Alright, so we're gonna do it again. Now we're gonna include some stepping as well. I step in, ich, ni, sam, shi, go, ruk, ich, hach, kyu, jip. Right, so that is the first tatsui from this routine. So let's move in straight away to the next one. After this, in the routine, we're going to move our body sideways and strike down with tatsui. So either you want to think about hitting the groin or striking solar plexus, that's up to you. I suggest that you aim down because the other one is more high. It is a slightly different feeling when you drop into stance and connect that movement to the bottom of your fist. So the exercise we're going to do is this way. Step out to your right and then come back to center. Move out to your left. Remember, always hips first. Relax that knee and move. Off to your right. Ich. And you may look left if you like. Sam. Elbows in, shi. Elbows out. So bring the elbow in and pull the elbow. Shi. Go. Ruk. Shich. Hach. Kyu. Jip. Yosh. Okay. I'm moving on to the next one, which is high. Maybe you remember this from Pian Shodan if you're doing Wadokai. I know other styles, maybe they make a Chudan punch, but just try to copy this either way, whichever style you do. So we'll start off, how do we start? Let's start like this, right, for convenience sake. Withdraw your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, left leg. Hey. Ni. Shi. Go. Look. Ich. Hach. Kyu. Ju. Good training, right, guys? So let's move on to start combining this. We're gonna first do number 1 and 2, focus on the transition. Then 2 and 3, then patch them all together to finalize this mini class. So remember, slowly follow me please. Right leg forward, Jodan Tettsui Uchi. Then right leg out. And as I explained, try to make a down strike. Back to Shizentai. 5 times the right hand side, relax, hitch. and back. Knee. Right leg in, right leg out, and withdraw. Some. 1, 2, 8. Up. Okay, left side. H. Knee. Some. Chi. Go. Yosh. 5 times. Now with a little bit more impact, right? With a little bit more effort. So, hey. And let's do left and right alternate. So left, 8. 8. 8. 8. 8. Up. Okay. Remember the last one. After this, we're gonna move back that front foot to get back to position. So this is also like a square meter method. So right leg in, right leg out, and right leg back. See? Left leg in, follow along, left leg out, left leg back. So the first one, if you can, you want to add compression to your move. Then you want to drop and open up your body. Then you want to rise and open. If you're an advanced student, say second, third dan, you really start to work on this. So left, 1, 2, and 3. Right, 1, 2, 3. Left, H. 8. Up. 8. That's it for today, guys. You see me do some variations, one time from the chest, other time at Hikite. When you're training, it's not grading. Try to test stuff. Feel the difference in the direction of energy. What is the difference when you hold it here or hold it there? How does that work? And does it have a different effect on the impact of your strike? I just set up a new website, traditionalkaratetraining.com. Head over there and check out what I have in store for you. If you want some elite courses, even free books, it's all there. Signing off for today. I hope you enjoyed this training, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Hit the bell so you'll be notified about every single new video I upload.